Good morning, friends. Previously we saw the concept of fraction that we learned. Now from onwards we will start the MCQs that we can solve in chapter number 7, fraction. This MCQ you also need to write in notebook and with solution. Okay. So you need to write MCQ with solution in your notebook. So here first, what fraction of rupees 1 is 25 paisa? First MCQ is, what fraction of 1 rupees is 25 paisa? So, if you want to find the fraction of 1 rupees, that is 25 paisa, so that's what? 1 rupees means 100 paisa. So, from 100, we need to take 25. So, whatever fraction is this, that is our answer. 25 fours are 100, so it is 1 by 4. So, 25 paisa is 1/4 of 100 paisa. So, that is 1. Now, next, what fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? In 1 hour, how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, if we want to convert this 30 minutes as a fraction of hour, that we can write 30 minutes divided 60. So it is 1 by. So that will be our answer B. Now next one. What fraction of a day is 12? What fraction of a day is 12? So in a day, how many hours? 24. So we can write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So that's why 12 hours divided 24, that is 1 day. So it is 1 by 2. Again that is our answer A, 1 by 2. Now next one. Which of the following is a proper fraction? Proper fraction, in previous video we learned the division of proper types of fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means if numerator is less than denominator. So here 1 by 2, numerator is less than, so this is proper fraction. You can check another option, 5 by 4, this is not a proper fraction because denominator is smaller. 3 by 2, this is also not a proper fraction because denominator is smaller. 9 by 2, this is also not a proper fraction. So answer is 1 by 2. Now next, which of the following is improper fraction? So what is improper fraction? When numerator is greater than denominator. So check which numerator is greater than denominator for fraction. 1 by 4, so numerator is smaller. 3 by 8, numerator is smaller. 11 by 3, numerator is greater than denominator. So that is improper fraction. So answer is 11 by 3. Next, express 5 by 2 as a mixed fraction. Again we also learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let's find 5 by 2 as a mixed fraction. Divide 5 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 1. So it is 2 1 by. Write the clockwise. So answer is 2 1 by 4. That is option B. Now next, you need to write the option also with solution in notebook. Express 9 by 4 as a mixed fraction. So let's convert this 9 by 4 as a mixed fraction. Divide 9 by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. Write in clockwise. So 2 1 by 4. So that is option B. Next, express the mixed fraction 1 1 by 2 as improper fraction. Also we learn the conversion of mixed fraction to improper. So here 1 1 by 2 is there. Multiply x. So 1 multiply 2 plus 1 divide 2. Denominator remain same. So 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So answer is B. The simplest form of 12 by 20. Again we learned in previous video that what is the simplest form? If numerator and denominator has common factor only 1, then they are in a simplest form. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 12 by 20. First we find find the HCF of 12 and 20, or you can find the factor of 12 and 20. Both will give the same answer. Let's find the factor of 12 by 20. So 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Now 3 by 5. There is common factor between 3 and 5 is only 1. So simplest form is 3 by 5. Next, the simplest form of 45 by 20. Find the factor of 45 and 20. So 9 5s are 45, 4 5s are 20, 5 will be cancelled out. So 9 by 4, that is the simplest form. So it is option A. Now next, which of the following is not equivalent to 1 by 3? Not equivalent means if we simplify the fraction and we get same fraction. Equivalent means same fraction. So if we simplify the options and if we get 1 by 3, then it is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. If we do not get 1 by 3, then it is not an equivalent fraction. So here, simplify 5 by 15, simplest form. So 5 by 15, 5 3s are, so it is 1 by 3. If we perform the simplification, then we get 1 by 3. So that is same, means it is an equivalent fraction. 6 by 18, 6 3s are 18, so it is 1 by 3. Again we get the same fraction. 4 by 12, so 4 3s are 12, so it is again 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3. But 7 by 20, there is no common factor between 7 and 20. So we cannot get 1 by 3 here. So this is not equivalent to 1 by 3. Say, which of the following fraction is equivalent to 3 by 4? So find the factors, and if we get 1 by 3, then it is equivalent to 7. If we get 3 by 4, then they are equivalent. So 6 by 11. If we cut the common factor, there is no common factor between 6 and 11. So that is not equivalent. Let's check the remaining option. 9 by 10. Sorry. Here we need to find which of the following is equivalent. So this is not equivalent. 9 by 10. There is no common factor between 9 and 10. So this is also not equivalent. Find the factor of 15 and 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5 will be cancelled, so 3 by 5. So this is equivalent to 3 by 5. Let's check this. 21 and 25, no common factor, so this is not equivalent. So answer is option C. Now next one, the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 with numerator 4. 2 by 5 with numerator 4. Now our fraction is what? 2 by 5. How we can get 4 here? Option is what? In a question it is written numerator must be 4. So how we can get numerator 4 if we multiply 2 by 2? Here we only need to perform the multiplication and division, not addition and subtraction. Same number we should multiply the denominator. So here we get 4 by 10. We should find the number that we will multiply with the numerator to get 4. Same number we should multiply in a denominator. Here we multiply 2 by 2. We get 4. So same number we should multiply in the denominator. 5 2s. So it is 10. So answer is option A. Next, the equivalent fraction of 20 by 36 with denominator 9. Now here in a fraction denominator is 36. How we can get 9 if we divide 36 by 4? 9 4s are 36. So if we divide 36 by 9, 4, then we get 9. So same number we should divide. Let's check. 20 by 36, that is our fraction. Divide 36 by 4 to get 9. Because in a question we need denominator 9. So if we divide 36 by 4, we get 9. Same number we should divide in the numerator. 20 by 4. So answer. 5. So 5 by 9. So that is option. Clear? Now next. Which of the following pair of fraction are equivalent? Pair are given and you need to find they are equivalent or not. Equivalent means they are same or not. So if the cross multiplication is same, then you get equivalent fraction. So find the cross multiplication for first. 4, 1 multiply 4, that is 4. 2 multiply 2 is 2. So this is equivalent. For B, check the remaining option. 1 multiply 7 is 7 and 3 multiply 3 is 9. So these are not equivalent. C, 2 multiply 9, that is 18 and 5 multiply 4, that is 20. So again these are not equivalent because cross multiplication is not. 4 multiply 30. 39, sorry, 52 and 7 exam, 56. So these are also not equivalent. So which is the answer? Answer A, because cross multiplication is same. So that is option A. Now next, which of the following pair of fraction are not equivalent? If cross multiplication is different, then they are not equivalent. So check. 1 multiply 3 is 3, 2 multiply 2 is 4. So this is not equivalent. So option A. Now check the remaining option. 4 multiply 15, that is 16. 5 multiply 12 is also 16. So this is equivalent because cross multiplication is same. C. 6 multiply 40. 84, 80. So again these are equivalent. Now next, 4 multiply 81. So you will get 324. So again, same answer in a cross multiply. So option D is also equivalent. So only answer is option A. Now next, which of the following fraction are like fraction? What is a like fraction? If denominator is same, so check the pair. Here denominator is same. So this is like fraction. For remaining 3 and 4, different denominator means these are not like. For 5 and 6, unlike, and 6 and 7, unlike because denominator is different. Now next, Alpha type 50 pages of a book containing 100 pages and Minu type 25 pages of the same book. Who typed more? From 100, Alpha type 50 pages and from 100, Minu type 25 pages. So whatever fraction is greater, that type more pages. So for Alpha, fraction is from 100 pages, she typed 50 pages, and for Minu, from 100 pages, she typed 25 pages. So which fraction is more? Denominator is same. So here we can write 50 by 100 is greater than 25 by 100. So that's why Alpha typed more. So answer is option B. Next, addition 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Denominator is same, so directly add the numerator 1 plus 2 divided by 3. Do not add the denominator, okay? So it is 3 by 3, so answer is 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Again, denominator is same, so do not add the denominator remains same, only add the numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so that is 3 by 3, so answer is 1. Next, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Again, do not add the denominator. So it is 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. When denominator is same, directly add the numerator. So 4 by 4, it means it is 1. So again, answer is 1. 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Denominator is same, so 5 minus 1 by 4. So that 4 by 4. Again answer is 1. So that is option A. When we perform this one, when the denominator is same, directly add the numerator or directly subtract the numerator. Denominator remain same. Now next one, 8 by 10 minus 3 by 10. Again you can see the denominator is same, so we can solve it here. 8 by 10. 8 minus 3 by 10, so that is 5 by 10. Now convert this into simplest form. 5 2s are 10, so it is 1 by. So answer is option A. For next one, 1 minus 1 by 2. So here 1 minus 1 by 2. Now here denominator is 1. So how can we get 2 here? By multiplying 2. Same number we should multiply. So it is 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So answer is E. Now 8 by 15 minus plan is equal to 7 by 15. So here 8 by 15, we need to check, fill in the blanks, minus. Take this negative blank on left side, so that will become plus, and 7 by 15, that is positive, become negative. So 5 7 negative. Clear? Take this one on this side because we need to find that, and 7 by 15, that is positive, become negative. So it is minus 7 by 15. So denominator is same, that's why we can directly write 8 minus 7 by 15, so that is 1 by 15. So answer is next, blank minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Now here, this is already positive, so no need to move. Take this minus 1 by 4 on left side, so we get blank is equal to 1 by 4. Here we have 1 by 4. Take this minus 1 by 4 on right side, become 1 by 4 plus inverse operation. If we take something that is in a addition on right side, on moving on left side of equal to, it is subtraction. Inverse operation is addition become subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. When we are moving numbers from left side of equal to sign to the right side. So here 2 by 4, 1 by 2. So answer is B. 1. Okay. Now next, blank plus 2 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. So here we need to find this blank. So take this plus 2 by 7 on left side. Now if we take left side, it is become subtraction. So we get blank is equal to 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. I told you that whenever it is addition becomes subtraction. So here 3 by 7. So it is option C. Clear? Now next one, 25 by 7 minus 15 by 5. You can see the denominator are different. So take LCM of 7 and 5. So LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Now make denominator 35. Which number we should multiply with 7 to make 35? By 5. Same number we should multiply the numerator. Minus 15. Here we need to multiply with 7. So 125 by 35 minus 105 by 35. So we get 20 by 35. Now here, if we consider 4 5s and 7 5s, 4 by 7. So let's change the options. So here, so now our option is 4 by 7. Clear? That is change in our option. So you can select it as a 4 by 7. The answer is option D. Now next one. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, denominator is different. Take LCM of 2 and 4. That is 2. So 4. Now, how can we get 4 here? Here already 4, so no need to multiply. We need to get 4 here by multiplying with 2, because 2 2s are 4, so we can get 2 is multiplied with 2. So same number we should multiply in the numerator. It is minus 1 multiplied 2 minus 1 by 4. So it is 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is option. Now next one, 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2. So here, next is 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2. So here, convert this into mixed fraction to improper. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Now 3 plus 5 by 2, because denominator is same, so it is 8 by 2, so that is 4. So answer is 4. Okay. Next one is Apala bought 21 by 2 kg of potatoes. So this is the weight of potato bought by Apala, and Minu bought 11 by 2 kg of potato. So she bought this much potato. Find the total amount of potatoes. Total amount is addition of both. So 21 by 2 plus 11 by 2. Denominator is same. So add the numerator. 32 by 2. So that is, again that is changed in MCQ option. So it is option D. Now next one, a teacher finished 3 by 4 of his course. How much course is left? 3 by 4. From the whole part, teacher finished 3 by 4 part of the course. What is the left course? So we consider whole course as 1 minus 3 by 4. So that is completed work. Remaining work means from the total work, if we subtract the completed work, then we get the remaining work. Now take the LCM. So we get 4 by 4 here minus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4, that is remaining work. So it is 1 by 4. Next, Pari reads 5 by 4 part of book and Preeti read 1 by 6 part of book. What more part was read by Pari? Pari read 5 by 6 and Preeti read 1 by 6. So Pari read more part. How much? For example, if you read 20 parts and your friend read 20 pages and your friend read 15 pages, it means you read more pages. How much pages you read more? 5 pages more. How can you get that answer? Subtraction of 20 minus 15. So same here, if we subtract 5 by 4 and 1 by 6, we get the number of pages or number of part more read by Pari. So we get answer 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6, so that is 4 by 6. Now convert this into simplest form. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it is 2 by 3. Means Pari read 2 by 3 part more. So it is option